Hi, I'm Mark from Lyre's, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lyre's Dark and Spicy. If you're a spiced rum or a dark rum drinker, this is definitely the drink for you. It's quite similar to a traditional cocktail, the Dark and Stormy. So it's got those classic spice rum notes to it, as well as, the spices of ginger balanced out really well with acidity of fresh lime. So the main ingredient of the cocktail is going to be the Lyre's Spice Cane Spirit. On the nose, it's got those classic spicy aromas that you'd expect almost out of a Christmas cake. I can get a lot of coffee bean, vanilla, cinnamon. It's going to make the perfect foundation for this cocktail. I'm going to start with 60 mils and I'm going straight into a highball glass. To that, I'm going to add 15 mils of fresh lime juice. This is going to brighten up the drink, and to balance out that acidity, I've got a little bit of vanilla syrup here. I'm just going in for 7.5 mils or a quarter ounce. And the reason for that, one, the sugars in the vanilla syrup are going to help brighten the drink and balance out the acidity of the fresh lime. And secondly, the vanilla is going to add and boost another level of complexity to those spice notes. The final ingredient I'm adding is some premium ginger beer. It's always best to go premium. The more ginger, the better. The ginger is going to actually help replicate a bit of the ethanol burn in the back of your palate. And we're going 90 mils. I'm going to top up my glass with ice. And to garnish, some fresh lime wheels. And I've got a sprig of mint here. I'm just going to hold it by the end, give it a nice slap and twist, and pop it into the side of my glass. And there you have it. Quick stir, and you've got yourself a Lyre's Dark and Spicy. Let's have a try. Oh, it stands up to its name. It's everything you'd expect. You've got heaps of spice coming from the Lyre's Spice Cane. Those vanilla notes shine through so well. You get the spiciness of the ginger beer and that really kind of bittersweet, acidic and sweet balance between the lime juice and the vanilla syrup. Perfect one to have before or after a meal.